gas vehicle slows down, the exhaust will circulate around the vehicle and that'll contaminate our measurements. So now we're getting pristine measurements of how a city breathes. So we can see all the emissions from cars, from infrastructure.
It's nice to be able to have an electric vehicle where we know we're not sampling ourselves, we're not influencing our own sample. That's the reason for the electric vehicle. But then for the mobile lab in general, we have this suite of sensors on the top that has ammonia, ethane, methane, N2O, and CO2 and water. So those are some of the biggest greenhouse gases, the most emission sources. Those are the ones that we're interested in.